Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of profiles not showing. To know how to fix or how to solve profiles not showing on TikTok, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window or to the app of TikTok and you click here in this page. As you see in this list of app info, you click on first stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. So in the end you can go to Play Store, you can search about TikTok, here's TikTok, and you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe.